Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit of a detour from actual wall hanging. What I want to do today is do a pour on this shelf of a cabinet we just recently purchased. I love the cabinet, but the shelf just does not go with my decor. So I am going to try to finish this off in a marbleized look so it fits the decor better. My goal is I don't want too much mixing. I just want a little bit. So I'm gonna do a traveling puddle pour, which I believe I have never done on this channel before. I lightly sanded and gessoed this tabletop. I taped up the back and I'm ready to pour. The main reason I selected the puddle traveling pour is it gives me, the colors don't mix too much. They do mix, but not nearly as much as a flip cup or any other, or other pours do, Dutch pour. I don't want that much mixing. And the second reason for the puddle pour is I feel I have more control. As I'm laying it down and I see which way the colors are falling, I can control the composition a little more as I'm pouring it out. Here is the wet product. Looks fabulous, is marbleized in the exact proportions of gray and white and touch of black that I wanted. I will share the dried result and the cabinet in my next video. I wanted to end this video by wishing everyone a very healthy, happy 2025. Hope this is the year where all our dreams come true. And as always, thank you so much for watching.